Ni hao! 欢迎来 Shanghai! Hello, welcome to Shanghai, China. China is a big country with lots of history and culture. Obviously, in this video, I won't be able to cover everything. Alright, let's get started. The People's Republic of China. China is a country of vast geographical diversity and complexity, making it one of the most fascinating regions to study. Let's break down its key geographical features. China is in East Asia and dominates the region. China has borders with 14 countries: Afghanistan, Bhutan, India, Kazakhstan, North Korea, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan, and finally Vietnam. China has a long eastern coastline along the East China Sea, Yellow Sea, and South China Sea. Why East China is home to 94% of the population and the importance of rivers in southern part of China. East China, including major cities like Shanghai, Beijing, and Guangzhou, is the economic hub of the country. Industrialization have attracted people to cities in search of better job prospects and living standards. The Yangtze River Delta and other fertile plains provide rich agricultural land supporting food production and settlement. The availability of resources supports large populations. Rivers like the Yangtze and the Pearl are crucial for transportation, trade, and economic activities. They facilitate the movement of goods and people, supporting commerce and industry. For example, the Mekong River flows through China, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam, serving as a major trade route. China is the third largest country in the world after Russia and Canada. Himalayas, home to the world's highest peak, Mount Everest, on the border with Nepal. Tian Shan Mountains. In the northwest, these mountains are vital for their mineral resources. Kunlun Mountains stretch across western China and are significant in Chinese mythology and history. China is divided into 23 provinces, 5 autonomous regions, 4 direct controlled municipalities such as Beijing, Shanghai, Tianjin, Chongqing, and 2 special administrative regions such as Hong Kong and Macau. Areas with significant ethnic minority populations such as Tibet and Uyghur territory. China is rich in coal, oil, natural gas, rare earth elements, and various minerals. Major crops include rice, wheat, potatoes, corn, peanuts, tea, barley, apples, cotton, oilseed, and soybeans. Air and water pollution are significant issues due to rapid industrialization. China's geography is integral to understanding its history, culture, economy, and current geopolitical strategies. The country's vast landscapes and diverse climates have shaped its development and continue to play a crucial role in its future. Mainland China is situated at the heart of East Asia and boasts the world's longest combined land border, stretching over 22,000 kilometers and touching 14 other countries. The country's territory extends from the Taklamakan Desert to the coast of Fujian. China has 5 autonomous regions: Guangxi, Tibet, Xinjiang, Ningxia, and Inner Mongolia. These regions have unique cultural traits that contrast significantly with the Han dominated culture prevalent in other parts of China. Due to the high prevalence of ethnic minorities in these areas, they enjoy special legislative rights not granted to the provinces, even though they remain under China's sovereignty. This is the end of part 1. I hope you enjoy my episode. Please subscribe and see you in the next part. Thanks.